So I've had some people ask me about how I built these steps and this whole wall system we got here. But basically the steps, how did I do this? So as you can see, these steps are just a continuation of the wall. And the way I did this was I put the first run in, first set of blocks, and then I dug out behind that maybe 2.5 feet, and then I poured the gravel down below, and I packed the gravel, and then I poured that first layer of concrete. And so, like I say, from behind these blocks, it goes back. Basically, these second row of blocks are sitting on that concrete from the first row. So that concrete in the bottom row goes back at least as far as those, okay, as a second row. That second row of blocks, before I put them on, so I built the wall, right, that second block there, yeah, and on the back of these, there's a little nub on the very, very back that basically lock that top block into the second block right here. So in the back of it, there's a little nub back there on the bottom of that. You just take a hammer and chisel that out, and that makes these lay down flat, okay? Now we did this wall, started this wall 4 or 5 years ago. It took a long time to build this. So anyway, after that second roll's in, the second row of blocks are in, you pour the concrete, wait 2 days, 3 days for it to dry, put the next row up, knock the back off of them, set them, put gravel behind it, compact the gravel, pour the concrete, and this is all hand poured. Pour it and then put the sugar on it to get the aggregate look. How you get this aggregate look is you pour it, let it dry for a little bit, and then throw some sugar water on it, let it sit for an hour or so, then just wash it off with the hose, or maybe 2 hours. Wash it off, and that's the look you get out of it. So anyway, that's how we did this. Just worked our way up, all the way up. We're actually going to hopefully pour this whole patio right here with concrete this year. But yeah, it's all based, it's all retaining walls. What a pain in the butt. There's great big, behind this wall, there are great big blocks, 3,600 pound concrete barrier blocks behind this holding this up, and this is just to beautify in front of it. Anyway, and then all these go up. Like I said, this has been probably 5 years. We're going to let this moss grow to see what it looks like. It's easy enough to take a pressure washer and get it off, but we're going to just let it grow and see what it looks like. Not sure if we're going to like it yet or not. Obviously the weeds, we'll have to pull those, but that moss, we're thinking about letting that grow. But I don't know. Then we put the railing up on it last year. And that's just pressure treated with old pickets that we had from the old decking company I used to own. So all those are old used pickets. And then we built these flower boxes that we'll have to paint this year. Put some dirt in them, put some wave petunias or something in there. Anyway guys, thanks for watching.